Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to see how to create a simple Python program using a text file and how to execute that file. For that, we'll open a simple text editor and we create our Python program. So, we are creating a variable a and assigning a value, a string value, welcome to the course. And the next line is printing. So this is our two-line program. It's a simple program where we are creating a variable a and assigning a string value called welcome to the course. And next line is we are printing the variable a. Now we will save the file. We'll name them as the first program. The important thing to notice here is we need to save the file with .py extension, not as .txt. So the moment when you save the file has .py, the Python interpreter will identify them as a Python program and not as a text file. So the Python program should be always saved in .py file format. We are saving them in the desktop. So if you guys noticed, our Python program called .py, the first program .py is created and it is saved in our desktop. Now we will open the terminal. If you guys are using Mac, open the terminal, and if you guys are using Windows, open the command line. Now we will go to the path or the directory where we have saved our file. In my case, I have saved them in the desktop. The moment when you are in the directory on the path where you save the file, you enter the keyword called Python and you enter the file name, in our case firstprogram.py. This keyword Python will invoke our Python interpreter and will run the file called firstprogram.py and it will execute the program. In our case, if we run this line, the Python interpreter should execute the first program.py and should display our final print statement. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, if you guys noticed, the print statement is executed and our final output has been displayed. I believe you guys understood how to write a program in a text file and save them as .py file and execute that Python file. See you guys in the next video.